Let's take a start. My name is Asad Yaqub, and we are going to go on with your IELTS speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Please take the mic closer to you. Yes, that'll be fine. Which is more important to you, friends or family?
My family, uh,
Why?
because um because they are very close to me and important part of my life.
All right. Do you have a small or large circle of friends?
I have small circle of friends, and I think it's better to have smaller circle of friends
Why?
because if your circle is small, you will be more comfortable or relaxed in your life. And if your circle is big, then you have to think
Who
more.
was your best friend at school?
My best friend was her name is Ifra Munir. She is a very generous and kind-hearted person. She motivates me a lot. Still, she motivates me, and she is my best. She is my best friend till now.
Uh, what sorts of things did you like to do together?
Sorry, can you please
What
repeat?
kind of things did you like to do together with your best friend?
When we meet, we discuss about our lives, what's happening currently, and what was happening in our past, and discuss some of important things for the future. That what kind of things will be better for us in the future.
All right, we now move on to speaking part 2. Your topic is describe one of your friends. Here is the topic, and you have 1 minute to read the topic and write down some notes. Okay, you'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Uh, my best friend, is how I met her was in college. It was my second year when I met her, and since then she became one of my bestest friend. She's very understanding, generous, kind-hearted, and a sister to me. Uh, we know each other since 7 years almost, and uh, we have spent great time together since then. Whenever we meet, we spend quality time together, like talking about our lives and each and everything what's happening in our lives, and also going out uh, for the for get together and doing lunch outside in restaurants. And the main reason I like her because she's like a sister to me. She's very different from other people, and that's it.
All right, thank you very much. Can I have the topic, please? We now move on to IELTS speaking part 3. What makes a good friend?
Uh, if a person is very friendly, non judgmental, motivator, and these are the main points which makes a person very close to someone. And I think everyone should look for these points.
What do you think causes friendships to break up?
Misunderstandings, I think. When you make friends, it is better to know how they deal with everything. If you know how they take everything, then it is less chances for someone to
In
misunderstand.
what different ways can people keep in touch with each other?
Through social media, mobile phones, WhatsApp, Instagram. These are the main social media apps we are in touch with our
Okay,
friends.
good. So that's the end of your speaking test. The first thing is fluency. You have so many pauses and you're struggling a lot with the language. It sounds like you got to struggle too much to produce these sentences. That's the first thing. After that, there are some mistakes which are related to tenses. Okay, and then some of your answers were too short in part one, and in part two you spoke for 2 minutes, which is fine. And yeah, long pauses, tenses, and then you introduced some new words like bestest is not the word in English. Best is the word, but bestest is that what we say. So this does not exist in English. So you should avoid all these things. But there is one thing good. Sometimes you produce very good sentences. So that shows somehow you know the language, but you need a lot of practice. So just try to take that positive note and on that thing build up your language skills. Looking at your overall performance, I'll give you 5 band for now, but you are capable of getting far more than that, right? Thank you.